Number 1. Intelligent Parking Facility in Cesena, Italy. Experience one of the world's most advanced parking facilities in Cesena, Italy. This facility boasts 7 underground levels and offers 168 parking spaces, utilizing artificial intelligence to optimize space usage efficiently. Capable of handling up to 4 cars per minute, it ensures a smooth flow without congestion. Number 2. Revolutionary Boat Lifting System. Elevate your boating experience with a cutting-edge boat lifting system that can support up to 19 tons. Operable via a key fob, this system provides secure storage for boats throughout the year and features removable racks for additional space as needed.
Number 3. Building integrated garages. As the global car fleet is expected to exceed 1.2 billion by 2050, innovative solutions are necessary to tackle parking shortages. Garages integrated into buildings are one such solution, with designs that blend seamlessly into historical exteriors, providing discreet and accessible parking.
Number 4. Innovative Motorcycle Garage. Discover a new solution for motorcyclists, a specialized garage that accommodates not just the motorcycle, but also gear and tools. This garage can be compacted when not in use, offering excellent protection from weather, vandalism, and theft. Number 5. Customizable Garage Doors. Unleash creativity with customizable garage doors that cater to any specification. Whether you need doors made of glass, wood, or designed to fit into a brick wall, there's a solution. These doors are built to manage loads up to a ton and can span up to 7 meters in width. Number 6. Hollywood-style garage in Melbourne. Step into a Melbourne garage that feels straight out of a Hollywood action movie. Engineered with precision, it features a lifting platform, a turntable, and a sophisticated remote control system, allowing the driver to remain in the car throughout the process. Number 7. Advanced Helicopter Hangar. Not just a shelter for helicopters, this hangar is a hub of technology. The premium version accommodates helicopters up to 18 meters long and includes a firefighting system, radar scanner, weather station, and additional high-tech features.